Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of museum.
Hello, Dr. Pan. I'm Greg. I came here to learn about Film Capacitive Touch Sensor.
Hello, Greg. Thin Film Capacitive Touch Sensor is the simplified version of Surface Capacitive Touch Screen. It is less than 0.3 millimeters, as thin as a blade. Let's look at the structure. From top to bottom, electrode pattern and conductive coating are functional layers. The bottom layer, PET, is supporting layer. There are 4 electrodes on the 4 corners for a surface capacitive touch screen to detect the location of the touch. Therefore, there are at least 4 wires. Meanwhile, there is only 1 wire to detect the existence of the contact for the touch sensor. We can see that it is practically an induction switch.
Dr. Pan, do you mean only 1 wire matters, no matter how many wires it has?
Not really. It depends on how many active areas in the touch sensor. Normally, one touch sensor only has 1 active area. Therefore, only 1 wire is needed. Check this one and there are 3 active areas and it needs 3 wires. The other 3 wires are unnecessary and empty. We only use the 6-wire FPC to meet the requirements of FPC connector.
Thank you, Dr. Pan. Now I got it.
Welcome to contact us if you have any question.